Hi, it's Richard here, and today we're going to look at conductors. So some materials conduct electricity and others do not. Now, an electrical conductor is a material that allows electric currents, which is just a flow of electric charges, to pass through it. And all metals are electrical conductors. Electrical insulators are materials that don't allow electric currents or the flow of electric charges to pass through them. So plastic and glass are two examples of electrical insulators. So some examples of electrical insulators again would be rubber, plastic and wood. All metals are electrical conductors, so even metals like mercury, which are liquid, will conduct electricity. So a couple of things that are true about conductors for you to think about. So in metal, the charges that can move are electrons, and they have charges that are free to move. Now, electrical conductors and electrons, we need to think about those. So the free electrons inside electrical conductors explain why they can conduct electricity. But electrical insulators have no free electrons. So there are no charges which are free to move and carry a current. An electrical conductor has a lot of charges and they are free to move. In a metal, the charges that are free to move are electrons. The electric current through the metal is the flow of these electrons. So what are the charges? So what charges are free to move in metals? If you remember, it's electrons. They are free to move in metals. And an electrical conductor has lots of those electrons and charges which are free to move. So an example of a material that's not a conductor would be something like a tree. Now remember, a metal has free charges, it has free electrons, and it can carry a current.